I'm still eating cucumber.
Okay, I'll go back to the dragon.
With Our Lively Tribe, and today I'm going to give you an in-depth tour of the boys' bunkhouse. We live in a 36-foot renovated fifth wheel. It is a half toy hauler. As you can see, this would be the half garage side. So when we bought it, it was a half garage with a couch and a wall straight down the middle here. We tore it all out and made it our boys' bunk space. Why are you smiling at me?
Because you're so pretty.
Punched you. So we get a lot of questions asking us, where do we keep our kids' homeschool things? How do your kids sleep in their beds? Where do they sleep? Can you fit all 3 kids back there? Where's all their toys and their clothes? How do you do it? So today we're going to give you a tour of how we do it. So we'll start with the beds. In this bunk space, we put 3 full-size twin mattresses in here. So RVs will typically come with RV mattresses, which are much smaller than a typical twin that you would use in your own home. We put twin mattresses in this bunk space. The twin mattresses straight out of our house. And Travis custom built this entire dresser system, and Trenton's bed sits on top of that. Thank you. So each boy has 3 drawers. This would be Trenton's side. It's never organized and I don't like to open them. But they're really, really large drawers. You can tell he's not wearing any of his flannels because they're nicely folded. So his t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, and then down here, pants, his baseball stuff is down in the bottom. These are all of their clothes, and these drawers are not even full of their clothing. This would be Jake's side. He's much more organized. And you can see they're hardly full. They're pretty empty. And then his pants and shorts, and then the same for Bryce on this end. Each of the boys have Beddy's bedding on their beds. And if you don't know what Beddy's are, they are a fitted sheet that goes around that has a zippered top. So making their bed is like zipping up a sleeping bag. You unzip it at night, this sheet part comes out, it zips on both sides, and to make their bed they just tuck this in and zip it back up. It is one of the cleanest ways to have your kids make their beds. It's easy, it's simple, there aren't blankets everywhere. It's fantastic. What are you doing? Each of our boys has one of these white boxes from IKEA on their beds, and they fill it with their junk so that I don't have to look at it. They decorated them with stickers, which I wasn't super thrilled about, but what are you going to do? And then bookshelf right here. They each have a bookshelf of their favorite books that they use at night, and hats for baseball, their name. I really wanted to personalize it. I did not clean up this bedroom space today. I did not detail it and make it Pinterest and Instagram worthy. This is our space that we live in, and it's our home, and I want them to make sure that they can make it their own space and make it feel like a home. So that's what it looks like. We have 4 boys. They are 12, almost 10, almost 6, and 1. So the 3 biggest boys sleep back in this space. This would be Trenton's bed. He sleeps on the bottom because he still gets up at night. And then up here we have Jake on this loft. And then on this side we have Bryce. And I will let them do a little more of a tour of their bed space.
I'm Jake, and this is my bed space. This is my bulletin board where I keep all my stuff that I can put on there. Oh, and right here I got a comic sketchbook. Oh, there's Edward Tulane. And I have this Edward Tulane. I have comic books. Oh, I have a treasure chest full of all my little goods. This is for my birthday. I'm the Flash, I guess. Oh, and if it's bright enough, you can actually see something in there.
Yep, it works.
That I have up here.
What's your favorite thing about having a loft bed?
Well, you can't.
Do you love that Mom can't come up here and see what you hide up here?
Not really hiding anything.
How come you can't say that without laughing?
I'm really hiding anything.
I don't believe you. Mom knows everything.
I'm Bryce, and this is my loft. Up here I have my box, my mattress, which is really comfortable. I have my giant box, some photos, my bookshelf, bulletin board, stuffed animals.
How long have you had that stuffed animal?
Since I was 4. But I've had an Oni
Like
stuffed
1.
animal since I was 1.
My name is Trenton, and this is my bed face. Jacob made this for me. Found this in my butt. Hit that picture of me. That's with my brother. And this I got from Disneyland, I think, or Disney World. This I got from a camping place. And this is all my artwork, but not this.
Cool. What's on this wall over here?
Okay, so this is my ABCs. This my mom got me. And these, so my first baseball was the Dodgers. Now my second baseball is the Phillies. Yeah. My trophy is from gymnastics. I do gymnastics, but not anymore.
Your favorite part about your bed?
My favorite part? Maybe everything.
Cute. So this is the boys' desk space. Travis custom built each of these desks to fit in these spaces. This was a couch on this side when we bought this RV, and when we took that out, we painted this entire area, and he custom built these desks for the boys. So we get asked a lot how we organize their homeschool stuff. I wouldn't call it organize. It's just here. So we've got paper, construction paper, their binders. When they complete work, I just put it in their binder. On this side, we've got art supplies, hole punchers, cords, just curriculum, more curriculum. It's kind of all over the place, a hodgepodge of homeschool curriculum. This is Bryce's side. He's very cluttery, but it looks organized right now, so it's okay. He's got his cameras, his birthday cards, binoculars, his little collectible things that he's built and made, his laptop, headphones, iPad, all of that is there. I took this wire, it's wire that you would hang on like the back of a picture to hang on a wall, and I took it and bought some clips, and they hang all of their favorite things here, things they like to look at. This is Trenton's side. I just cleaned it all off because it's always piled up with things. I'm afraid to open these drawers. Like any kid's room, it's probably just full of trash, and I need to go through there and all those scissors that they can't find. Down here we've got a lot of their homeschool curriculum. In this drawer here it would be all of our chargers, headphones, pencil sharpener, and in the back we have a power box, and that's where we can plug everything in to charge. They each have a drawer with their curriculum and workbooks in them, things that they've done throughout the school year. It does all need to be organized, but who has time for that? And then on this side, this would be mostly Trenton's kindergarten curriculum down here. Oh, I keep most of his stuff in this box. And this is kind of how we homeschool. On this side of the room, we have Jake's desk. We have our large desktop in here that we used for wedding photography, and now we just use it for a television, basically. We watch all of our Netflix, Disney Plus on this screen. This is the biggest screen we have in our home. Jake has all of his things here. He's my pretty organized kid, and he keeps everything here. He's got his drawers here for his homeschool work and his clutter. Our fifth wheel has a walk-in closet, and that is pretty unheard of. In the boys' space, we had this big extra square behind our coffee bar and between Trenton's bed, and I told Travis, I want a walk-in closet. I want a space for all their toys and their clutter and their jackets and everything that I don't want to look at every day. So we have this system here that has 4 baskets. These are baskets from IKEA. Backpacks, dress-up clothes and hats, Nerf guns, and extra shoes. Each boy has a hook. They have a robe and a hat that they hang on it. They hang a lot of their artwork in here, as you can tell. And then on this side, we have a lot of their winter coats, jackets, hoodies, some of their baseball uniforms, sport uniforms are hung up here. Extra boxes up here of organized toys and card games, some more homeschool curriculum, games down here, and then art supplies in the bottom. And then this big empty space here is usually where their dirty clothes go. So this walk-in closet has served its purpose, and it is one of my favorite things in here. And maybe one day we'll put a door on it. I don't know. So that's our kids' bunk space. We had a really cool vision when we bought it, and Travis is amazing at putting that vision together. And our kids love it. It's kind of like having a fort and a loft and a tree house and everything all in one where they get to sleep. And I know that when they're older and look back on this space, they'll think about how cool it was. So, thanks. What are you working on?
My snake book.
You're charting all the snakes that we see?
And then I have symbols to represent each snake. So
I
king
need
snake,
to make the
gopher
book.
snake. I've seen the coach whip and the gopher snake right here by the shed. I've seen the common king snake over, well, Dad saw the common king snake over here. The normal king snake over here by the little tree. Coach whip here. And the gopher and king snake.
That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see if I don't.
Can I bite?